our extensive experience moving flight simulators, we have found that attention to detail makes all the difference. Such is the case with this series of 6 moves from the older SIMCOM facility to their new campus located in Orlando, Florida.
This model specifically, obviously it's the newest, the latest. As far as accuracy, I mean, everything is pretty much exactly as you would find it in a real aircraft. Basically, it's just the most advanced simulators that there are right now. And this one specifically, I mean, being an Embraer Praetor 600, it's just a really nice aircraft overall in general.
Due to the delicate nature of the technology and hardware, it's a complex process that includes a detailed bid and extensive planning, along with execution in the form of disassembly, crating, rigging, transport, delivery, and reassembly.
My name is Greg Aaron. I work for SIMCOM Aviation Training. My title is Vice President of Simulation Products and Services. My main point of contact at PGL is Shannon Pardue. I have known and personally worked with Shannon for over 20 years. Shannon developed his expertise at our former company of relocating simulators, where he relocated literally hundreds around the world. So I've seen Shannon in action. I've seen Shannon plan wisely, look for efficiencies, look for cost reduction, for a mutual win-win for both his company and his customers. And so, not surprising, PGL came out on top.
My name is Shannon Pardue. I'm the Director of Aviation Simulation Operations for Perimeter Global Logistics. We are moving 6 multi-million-dollar flight training devices from 2 different locations into 1 location here at Lake Nona. And that's not just the logistics, but also the teardown and the reinstallation labor. So what PGL offers is a one-stop solution for a complete simulator move. So we've provided all of the labor to do the teardown. We provided all the logistics for the crating, the rigging, the trucking, and then also now the labor for the install. Projects of this scope and nature, there's always going to be challenges. And the benefit of hiring PGL to manage these projects is we're always going to have somebody on site to oversee and correct any issues that may occur. The customer never even knows it. It's a seamless process from start to finish as far as the customer sees.
After testing and engineer sign-off, a team is activated to dismantle the simulator. This teardown phase includes the sourcing and utilization of multiple pieces of heavy equipment, such as forklifts, scissor lifts, and in this case, a crane. One of the more memorable moments on this move included fitting the 15-foot, 10-inch mirror crate through a door that was 16 feet wide. This is a great example of how proper planning prevents poor performance. But those 2 extra inches certainly kept us on our toes. Once loaded on the double drop trailer to accommodate the extra wide load, 4 Florida Highway Patrol officers escorted the truck to the new facility where the simulator is unloaded and reassembled. When you consider the depth and breadth of a move like this, it's dizzying to imagine the teams of operators, engineers, and crate builders, not to mention the array of heavy equipment necessary to accomplish the task, even when the simulator is only going 30 miles to its new home.